Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Welcome to the fourth installment of my Triumph motorcycle parts and what they sold for on eBay. Our first part that we sold from the Triumph motorcycle parts is a Triumph seat cowl kit for a Speed Triple. The color is scorched yellow. It sold on April 10th, 2018 on eBay for $59.99. Number 2 is a Triumph seat cowl kit for a Street Triple. Color is roulette green. It sold on eBay on April 11th, 2018 for $39.99. Our third one looks mysteriously like the second one. It is also a Triumph seat cowl kit for a Street Triple, roulette green. It sold on April 13th, 2018 on eBay for, again, $39.99. Our fourth item that we sold is a Triumph seat cowl kit for a Street Triple model, jet black. It sold on April 14th, 2018 on eBay for $59.99, and this one was an international sale to Canada. Number 5 in the group was again another Triumph seat cowl kit for a Street Triple model, jet black. It sold April 15th, 2018 on eBay for $59.99, and this one went stateside. Number 6 is another duplicate. This must have been the month for it. It is also another Triumph seat cowl kit for a Street Triple, jet black. It sold April 15th as well, 2018, on eBay for $59.99 again. Number 7 is a genuine Triumph D-Lock for a motorcycle, 270 millimeter. It is brand new with the keys. Sold it on eBay on April 21st, 2018 for $39.99. Number 8 is a tank cover kit for a Triumph 68. Its colors are silver tartan with this unique 68 design. It was sold on April 21st, 2018 on eBay for $39.99. Number 9 is a Triumph alloy belly pan kit, brand new, sold on eBay April 24th, 2018 for $89.99. Our last item, number 10, is a Triumph radiator cowl kit for a Street Triple. Phantom Black is the color. It sold on April 26, 2018 on eBay for $14.99. So as you can see, you can make money on eBay selling these old Triumph motorcycle parts. So far this month, I have sold a total of 10 items for a total of $504.90. And then I'll give you the breakdown of that added to all my other months. In the first month selling Triumph parts, I sold a total of 6 items for $739.96. In my second month, I sold 4 items for $279.96. In my third month, I sold 14 items for $1,057.87. And then, of course, this month, I sold a total of 10 items for $504.90. So out of my 112 items that I bought for Triumph parts, I've actually only sold 34 of them. And when I add all of my first 4 months together, I get a, drumroll please, total of $2,582.69. I paid a total of $2,850 for this pallet, and when I take away the profit of $2,582.69, then it still means that I need to make up $267.31. But don't worry, I still have 78 items from my Triumph pallet still left to sell. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.